Welcome back to the Jordan, where the extraordinary become normal. We lined up the unbelievable factory machines. This machine sliced the metal sheet smooth like butter. So, this is how the metal gets shaped by the machine. Did you ever wonder how factories slice potato? It will make the boule more detailed. This is how the wood become beautiful decoration. It will bend anything. Ever wonder how your milkshake packet gets the label? It fold the mud without error. This technique make the farming industry far better. Petrol can is easily foldable. Ever wonder how the ice cream stick will build? The man made the work easier. This machine can cut anything in perfect slice. Beginning of building screws. Every can is just a piece of paper in front of this hydraulic machine. After it will be recycled the process. Big construction company always use machines like this to concrete the building. How perfect is this circle? This machine never stops work. This is how the sushi made in factory. Nails are important for every work, but this is how it's made. Brushes are not that much easy to create because it is three-step process. Look at the laser machines making patterns in the metal. This machine helped the tree to grow with a beautiful shape. Painting process is very beautiful when it realizes. This man can make the ice cream even more higher with the machine. Bottle placing before it fills. Packet popcorn are not just filled with man hand. Metal fences are not made with just bare hands. Look how the nails break the wooden piece. It broken in two pieces and inside. This machine is extremely dangerous. It can break even silver. Wrapping the can for the safest delivery. Ever wonder how the water canal roof was made? Packing is important for every product. It's define quality. Machines that arrange the biscuits in order. This robot can flat the flour easily. Flavoring the bread with chocolate. It tastes good. This is your last chance to witness the dam opening. This machine can do clean and make haul in same time. Trees are not a problem in front of this machine. In Arab countries, they make the road wet to resist cracks. This is an expensive machine. It can find good quality apple and extract without human touch. Christmas trees are made with this machine. It can refibe trees. Tuning the wheel to run smoothly. It's cut every fences easily. It saves a lot of time and risks. Heating perfectly makes the steel bendable. This is how safely remove benest. How perfect is the star? This machine can cut every thick paper. This machine is very easy to use. It shapes any type of metal. Watch the extraordinary of human thinking. The heat will burn the metal in liquid. It can turn 360 angle. It will perfectly align after it completed. Machines are good, but every time a man was that dealing with it. The two big ball process is important if it's missed. Chocolate shapes are made like this. This machine is actually heating and shaping the metal in same time. Big Bear companies fill the bottle with machines. Ever wonder how the masks are made?